What in the world? Mama. Come get the blocks. Come knock them over. There you go. You are such a stinker. Caden. That's okay, you're cute anyways. Caden. Ooh. Hey, little love. Hi. You got your lion friend? Can you use your leash to take your lion friend for a walk? We have found our voice tonight. And turn around, you gotta go not on the carpet. Mom. Say mama. Hi! Come here, cute boy! Hi! Hi, cute boy! Hi! Hi!
Caden.
You are gonna be scary when you're a driver one day.
Caden.
What's Daddy got? What's that? All right, Bubby, love you.